Has your professor ever given you a citation to find an article and you don't know what to do? Well, I'm Amber Wessies, Instruction Librarian at Union University, and I'm going to show you how to do just that. First, let's take a look at a citation. This particular citation is in MLA format. Other styles of citing sources may have a different look, but the information is the same. Here I have the author's name, the title of the article, the title of the journal, the volume number, the issue number, the publication date, and the page number. Some citations will also include a DOI or URL, which can be helpful in finding your article. To find the article, we're going to visit the library's homepage, uu.edu/library. Then we'll click on Journals by Title or Subject Quick Link. Here you'll see a search bar where you'll enter the title of the journal. You can copy and paste or type it in yourself. If it auto-populates, there's a good chance we have access to this journal. Typically, your journal will be the first one on the list. If you'll notice, Environmental Nutrition has multiple databases that house this article or this journal. We can use the date range to decide on a database. I'm looking for an article that was published in 2015. I can use any of these databases because the Academic Search Complete starts in 1996 to the present, where the Gale databases start in 1999 and go to the present. I'm going to use Gale Academic OneFile today. However, you can choose whichever database you're most comfortable with. First, I'll need to find the year of publication. This will be the case in all databases. I'm looking for 2015. Next, I'm going to use the volume number and issue number to find the appropriate journal. Here I'll see a list of all the articles published in Environmental Nutrition, Volume 38, Issue number 11. I'm going to scroll through until I see my title. I can also use the author's name to help narrow down my search. Here I see Pile on the Purple Produce, which is the title that I'm looking for. The author's name also matches. If I click on the title, I'll be able to access this article as well as download and print it if I would like. If you have any questions about finding an article, using a citation, or you need help with general research, please schedule a research coach appointment today and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching our video on how to find an article using a citation. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have suggestions for other videos, please leave them in the comments. Please also subscribe to our YouTube channel.